slide forward so we support you at it.
We are HEVT. It's a 4-year design competition with 3 headline sponsors, the U.S. Department of Energy, General Motors, and MathWorks. And we've got 6 main goals. So we're trying to incorporate advanced propulsion systems, connected and automated vehicle systems, and then we're increasing efficiency, safety, and consumer appeal, while on the social side, reaching out and addressing equity and mobility.
One of our big sponsors is General Motors. So they're kind of developing this competition, trying to prepare students for industry. Some of the stuff we do is stuff that they work on currently. A lot of this is stuff they worked on before, and then we're just looking to replicate it. So the end goal for the Connected Automated Vehicles team is to develop a SAE Level 2 plus autonomous vehicle. So that includes like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, some of the features we see on cars on the market now. But then we'll also include things like automatic intersection navigation, automatic parking. Basically, the goal is to have automatic navigation for city driving and highway driving.
In previous competitions, we've been taking internal combustion cars and turning them into hybrid vehicles or hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. We've been doing this for this is our 29th year of competition. This competition, we're actually getting an electric vehicle that has level 2 autonomy, and we're turning it into an electric vehicle with level 2 autonomy. So a lot of what is unique about HEVT is that it's meant to simulate the actual vehicle development process as if you were working at a regular OEM manufacturer. And so what it's really, really good at is getting us hands-on experience, basically setting us up for industry. The people that we talk to, our industry sponsors, say that we start about 2 years ahead of our contemporaries as they're graduating because of the experience that we're able to gain through HEVT.